It's quite a few, but they're real easy. I just want to point out before I go back to the beginning,
Okay. In the beginning.
these three are really the only tough ones in here. You got to find the value of x and then find the value of the red arc. So say x is 20. You take 2 times 20 minus 30 to find the red arc. Now the way you find this is, since this is a diameter, what do you know about these two arcs? No? They add up to 180. So it's 2x minus 30 plus x equals 180, and then you solve it.
So you have to multiply x with it.
And then once you find x, you plug it in here. This one, what do you know about these two x's?
They're equal.
They're equal. But you don't need to use them to solve it. Sometimes there's more information, because this is a half a circle right there.
Yeah.
So this plus that equals 180. 5x equals 180. And then once you find x, just plug it in here. And on this one, all of them, this, and this, equal 360. Okay? So then once you find x, you plug it in here and there to figure out the red arc. Now, these first ones are just minor or major or semicircle.
And you can tell because they're
Minor's less than 180, major's more than 180. So PQ is small, so that's minor. SU is less than 180, so that's minor. PQT is a semicircle, so you can just put semi. Okay? So I'll give you a minute to do these next 5, and then I'll put these up here. Semi is exactly 180, yeah. Yep. Which one? TU Q is over 180 because you start at T and you go all the way up to Q. So that's a major, yep.
QT would be minor, right?
Yep, QT is less than 180.
If it was exactly 180, it's just a straight line.
It's a semicircle, yeah. Exactly 180 is the straight line, yeah.
So like if it's always like 3.
If there's 3, it's either going to be major or a semicircle. If there's 2, it's always a minor.
PQS could have been minor.
PQ, yeah, I guess PQS, but whenever they give you just 2 letters, that just means take the shortest route, so they would just call that PS.
TUP is a semi, right?
Yep, half a circle.
What?
Oh, shoot.
Now, on these, I don't know if you can write in yours, but if not, I'll put them up here so you've got the measurements to answer these questions. When you're solving this, this is 60, and this is half a circle, right?
Yeah.
So what would this have to be?
120.
120, because they got to make 180 a half circle. And then this is another half circle right here. But easier yet is, if this is 60, what's this one got to be?
60.
Because they're vertical. This is 120. And then you can figure out this one, these add up to 180. So you just take 180 and subtract 55 and 60, and that would be 65. Right? There. So I'll just leave these up here so you can answer the questions. So remember when they ask for a KL, that's the same as the central angle. So
Test right now?
here's KL, so that's 60.
Can I see my test right now?
Not right now.
Oh, I probably should.
You might be able to.